This stylish Hoover integrated washing machine puts all your laundry in safe hands. With its impressive functions and cost-effective methods, all your clothes will be spotless in no time. The kg mode uses a sensor to detect the weight of the load. Then it will automatically adjust the duration, water and electricity needed specifically for your wash. By saving water, time and energy, this feature makes each cycle of laundry more effective and efficient. With Rapid Wash, you can set the cycle's time to 14, 30 or 44 minutes for clothes that need to be washed quickly. Great for busy families or individuals who want thoroughly cleaned clothes in a minimum amount of time. With AquaPlus, the water in the drum is continuously filled and emptied to rinse your clothes and properly remove any remaining cleaning detergent. This ensures every garment is clean to perfection and will prevent any irritation on sensitive skin, putting parents' minds at ease. Never worry about laundry again with this integrated washing machine from Hoover. Perfect for getting the kids' clothes or your favourite top cleaned in a hurry.